Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, July 30th, 1999, 8 am. As I have already said, even equipped with exceptional powers, we cannot infringe and rush the divine plans. There are devastating wars, monstrous events of all sorts, which we cannot avoid. We must remain within our limits. The divine law must be respected. You see only what cannot be stopped, but you have no idea of what is being achieved in the darkness and of which you are spared. There is no rest for the chosen ones, ever, at any level. You should know that on this planet, as on the others, the divine laws are relentless. That's how things must be for the balance of the universe. Earthmen are troublemakers and dangerous elements. They endanger this order established so well and must, alas, receive lessons in the sense of their harvesting what they sowed, besides hatred and violence which reaches its paroxysm. The universal harmony is endangered by the irrational inventions made by individuals believing they hold all the knowledge of the world. The earth is in a danger because excesses prevail at all levels. The law of boomerang will have to be put into action to calm down this diabolic play. My dear children, you should be moderating and luminous elements in this completely mad system. We bless and inspire you in all circumstances. Babuji. Friday, July 30th, 1999, 10 am. Yes, my daughter, after all these earthly tribulations, you will appreciate refreshing yourself from our sources. You will be able to regain your forces to take stock of this incarnation and improve on what you consider as being insufficient. We want the best for you and will give you the necessary means for your utmost fulfillment. So, you see, this program is by and large not unpleasant. You will have all latitude to carry out what we will ask you. For the moment, let's talk about your future life. You are on this earth and you must finish what you had started. This is not to your liking. We know it. During many years, I had waited for the moment to go and rejoin my revered master. My son is longing to come and rejoin us, but one's work should not be given up like that. He is where he must be now. The mission must be achieved. He must accept to complete what is expected of him, even if this task becomes very difficult to manage and sometimes to bear. This is the way it goes. Therefore, you see, we do not expect you to move mountains, but to do what is within your capabilities and which you do so well. We understand your impatience to leave your physical body and return towards the beings you love. We also went through that. The earth is not an idyllic place, but it is useful for your education, for your evolution. Well accomplished, this earthly process will enable you to pass through the stages more quickly and to reach higher planes. Believe it, it is worthwhile. Therefore, you should keep heart, Babuji.